First thing that you need to do is go in the description down below. The first link is gonna be what you need to download, okay? Click there, and then after you download, look for the A7III. All these names over here are the names of the Sony cameras that your computer is gonna be paired with. In our case, Sony A7III. You download, you make sure that everything you accept and everything is fine. First thing that we gotta do after you download, we're gonna go to the menu, network, and control with smartphone. Make sure that is off. We're gonna go to the toolbox all the way to the number 4, and USB connection, make sure that it is on PC mode. Usually it's in auto, put on PC mode, and you're all set. Make sure that you use a nice high quality USB-C cable because Sony is very picky about that, but I have a regular one and works just fine. After this, we're gonna go here and test the zoom call. In our case, we're gonna go to the settings, and then right there on the video, we're gonna look for Sony, and you should be ready to go. Leave your comment and like down below. Thank you very much, and if you enjoyed this one, I'm sure that you're gonna love this other one over here. Enjoy.